fucking intellectual and sit around trying to out-intellectual all the other big students. It's been years and years to know buried these goddamn toes while the world is passing you by.
Watch my back. yourself. 13.5 again. 13.5? What are you, lost? All over the place. You got frogmen. You got EC2s with the satellite tracking shit in them. You got the fucking Bell 209 assault choppers up the ass, man. You know we're losing 1 out of every 9 loads.
Damn it, what do you mean you don't know? If somebody comes up and wants to pull your underwear up out of your fucking head, you have to get mad. Get mad! Scream at it. Be mean! Piss him off! Come on!
From a human being's area. What if the kid has one of those fucking play dates there?
Are you shitting me? You don't even imagine that in front of this kid like he ditched him. He lives in this
So Sean, do you see land anywhere?